Welcome to Diet Food Recipe channel. As we all know, we always have a doubt about how much calorie our bodies require. So the most difficult two questions are how much we should eat and what should eat. So we have come up with a diet calorie plans which will provide you the information that what you should eat and how much you should eat. And for that, first of all, you need to find out what is your body calories required, and that we have provided you a link in the below section to find out what's your body requirement. And after that, you can pick up our plan of 1200 meal calories. In case if you have any questions, you can ask us. Let's say if you need some customized meal plan, or if you have some specific requirement, then you can write us. We will make the plans according to you. And so let's get started with 1200 calories meal plan. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.